I received a call from someone and he asked me that they used to have a swimming pool at their home. Unfortunately, they are not more using that swimming pool. And since they are not using it, can he use that swimming pool to produce fish or to raise fish? In this video, that is the answer I want to give. I answered him in the call. I want to give for the benefit of our viewers to know whether you can use swimming pool to do or to raise fish. And before I tell you either yes or no, we have to understand that the swimming pools are also in different categories. The common ones are the one we have here, which is dark and everything is cemented and tiles are laid and it is depth under. These are the common ones. But the modern ones too, we also have the tarpaulin ones or the plastic ones, just like fish ponds. Any of them is fine. The answer is generally yes. Yes, because it is also able to hold water and in fact even large volume of water where fish can thrive in. But this is the case. Despite it holds a lot of water and fish can do well in that, there are certain things you must know before going in for that. For instance, if you look at the normal swimming pools, like this one, it doesn't have an outlet where you can easily drain the water and the waste of the fish out and restock new water or install water for the fish. So this is one of the difficulties you will face. But there's a way out. If you are using this, for instance, as your fish pond, and now you want to take in the water or take out the water. Taking in the water is easy. As you can see, you can always put in the water. But taking it out, you will have to get pump, either a solar pump or submersible pump that can pump the water from the pond to wherever you want it. And the disadvantage is that this comes at extra cost because you need extra pump and electricity. Now, another difficulty we have to do with when you are installing a flotation system or the circular aquaculture system. Normally we install it at the outlet where the waste of the fish with the leftover particles or feces are gone out. The leftover feed, the feces, and all other particles are gone through the filters and it filters. Now there's no outlet, so you cannot install it there. So what you can also do at this time is also that you have to use pump, and the pump also will be in the water, pulling it into the filter container for the filtration before it goes down, and that's another extra cost again. And personally, I don't even prefer that method because it's not removing the waste as effective as connecting it into the outlet. Now, let me also clear this misconception. Some people believe that fish, especially fingerlings, when they're so small and the water depth is high, and when you give them feed, the amount of energy they will use to swim out and take the feed, it is difficult for them. And for that matter, it might be difficult to have pond with volume or large volume of water like this one. Now, to some extent, this might be true, but it is just a periodical. And also, when the fish are now aware, the fingerlings are now aware of the volume of the water and the type of their feed, there's no problem. They always feed. What I observe is that when you still bring them new and introduce the feed to them, that's when they have difficulties climbing out. Sometimes they might not even see it. But when they get used to that, fine. And what you can also do is that instead of the first time putting the water volume to be high, always get a feel like this. That might be difficult. You can just have the water at the bottom, at the minimum level, so that when they get used to the feed or when they are growing, they can increasing the volume of the water. Because remember, the more the volume of the water is in the pond, the better for the fish because it gives them more room, more space, and they grow very well, and then they will not be competing for space. So that is another one of beginners' mistake. I see a lot of people, they just put small water in their fish in the pond and they expect that the fish to be doing well. The reason is that you are not giving them that enough space or enough room to be swimming. Please, if you found value in this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Let me know your thoughts in this. Have you ever tried using the swimming pool, or do you think it is possible or not? Let me know the thoughts in the comment section. And then you can also check out our resources. We have DIY, filtration and Asian system. We also have ebooks and complete found course in the description. You can enroll. Remember, the purpose of this is to share fish farming tips based on our experience and research. I thank you so much for watching. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to watch the next video in the end screen. Bye.